distinguished guests, conference organizers, colleagues, educators, researchers, students, and fellow advocates of sustainable development, a pleasant day to all of you. It is both an honor and a profound responsibility to speak before you today at the second International Conference on Sustainable Research and Development. The theme of this year's conference, Resilience Through Integration, Interdisciplinary Approaches to Energy Sustainability, Food Security, and National Defense, could not be more timely. It invites us to rethink how we approach some of the most pressing challenges of our time: energy sustainability, the food security, and of course, the national defense. These are not isolated issues. They are deeply interconnected and they demand solutions that are equally integrated. We are currently grappling with a triad of existential issues that, while often studied in isolation, are now fusing into a single complex crisis of resilience. Now, let us define these three issues. Number one, the energy sustainability. It is about energy equity, ensuring reliable, affordable, and clean power for every citizen and industry. A sustainable energy base is the bedrock upon which all other progress rests. Number two, the food security. Food security transcends crop yield. It involves strengthening our entire supply chain against climate shocks, reducing massive post harvest losses, promoting sustainable aquaculture, and adopting high efficiency methods like vertical farming. Number three, the national defense. Modern defense is no longer confined to traditional borders and conventional threats. It now encompasses the security of critical infrastructure, resilience against cyber attacks, and increasingly safeguarding our resources. To address these challenges, we must embrace interdisciplinary collaboration. For instance, engineers must work with agronomists, economists must partner with environmental scientists, and policymakers must listen to educators and students. Moreover, universities must become the epicenter of this integration. Resilience, in its deepest sense, is the capacity of societies, institutions, and individuals to absorb shocks, adapt to challenges, and emerge stronger from crisis. In an age marked by climate instability, resource scarcity, and geopolitical uncertainty, resilience has become the defining measure of sustainable progress. However, resilience is not born from isolation. It emerges through integration, the weaving together of ideas, disciplines, and actions that transcend traditional boundaries. Indeed, energy sustainability, food security, and national defense are not separate silos. They are interconnected systems that demand interdisciplinary collaboration. Energy fuels our economies. Food sustains our lives. Defense protects our sovereignty. When these pillars are addressed in isolation, we risk fragmented progress. However, when approached through integration guided by research, technology, and shared human values, they become catalysts for resilience and inclusive growth. Therefore, interdisciplinary research reminds us that sustainable energy solutions require not just engineers, but also economists, environmental scientists, and educators who can influence behavior and policy. Food security is not only an agricultural concern, but also an issue of logistics, governance, education, and social equity. National defense is no longer confined to the military sphere. It encompasses cybersecurity, climate adaptation, disaster risk reduction, and community preparedness. Integration is the bridge between knowledge and survival, between innovation and inclusion, and between development and defense. As a leading institution in applied sciences and technology, the Polytechnic University of the Philippines is uniquely positioned to drive sustainable innovation and plays a transformative role. Its commitment to interdisciplinary research, community engagement, and practical education makes it a vital force in shaping resilient futures. Across its campuses, students are designing solar powered irrigation systems, developing climate resilient crops, and modeling disaster response strategies. Faculty members are conducting research that bridges theory and practice research that informs policy, empowers communities, and inspires change. The university's impact goes beyond academic excellence. It fosters a culture of collaboration where students, educators, and industry partners co create solutions. It nurtures a mindset of service where knowledge is not hoarded but shared. Integral to this mission, the Office of the Vice President for Campuses ensures that every campus serves as a hub for sustainable development. Our sector is not just an administrative body, it is a strategic enabler that aligns campus infrastructure with national priorities. It promotes green building practices, supports interdisciplinary programs, and ensures that sustainability is embedded in campus life. So, what does resilience through integration look like in practice? It looks like a student led initiative that combines agricultural science and data analytics to optimize crop yields. It looks like a faculty research project that explores the intersection of cybersecurity and energy infrastructure. It looks like a university industry partnership that develops modular housing for disaster prone areas. To all the professionals here today, your expertise is needed not just in your field, but across fields. May you dedicate yourselves to share your insights, mentor students, and collaborate with educators. To the educators, continue to challenge conventional boundaries. May you design curricula that reflect the interconnectedness of our world. Encourage inquiry, experimentation, and empathy. To the students, you are the future, but you are also the present. Your ideas, your energy, your courage are the catalyst of change. And to all of us, let this conference be more than a series of presentations. Let it be a launchpad for partnerships, a crucible for innovation, and a testament to what we can achieve together. Resilience is not a destination, it is a journey, one that demands integration, imagination, and unwavering commitment. Let us walk this path together. Let us build bridges between disciplines, institutions, and nations. Let us create a future where energy is sustainable, food is secure, and our communities are protected not through isolation but through collaboration. May this conference ignite the change we all wish to see. Thank you very much and mabuhay po tayong lahat.